A blessed day to everyone. In the name of the Diocesan Pastoral Center for Filipinos and other migrants, we express our oneness with whatever you are experiencing and undergoing now. Taos-puso kaming nakikiramay sa mga pamilya na naapektuhan, lalo na sa mga nasawi. We share with the grief of the families who were left behind, but by your loving sisters, daughters, and friends. You made the biggest decision in life because you love them. And your decision was to save the life of your ward and your life. It was truly a big decision, a loving decision. Christ light in the midst of the darkness during those horrific days. Your deep and loving commitment and total self-giving out of love to your wards, employers, will serve as a model for all of us in the service field wherever we are. You are indeed our heroes, if not saints, living and dead. You are gifts of love as brothers and service in whatever way you can serve and help the country. We deeply appreciate your presence in Hong Kong and your services to the family that you serve. Now, if you give a little time and try to imagine, try to see God looking at you, each one of you survivors now. God is with you always, and we love you. A big embrace to each one of you. Just give us a call. We are here to help you.